So this is my DIY test bench. At the moment it doesn't have a speaker for the motherboard so that you can get notifications for when there's problems and issues with the motherboard, and in this video that's what we're going to be building and adding to it today. So to build this project we need a few parts. We've got some wire, some braiding to tidy it up. We've 3D printed a little bracket that's going to go onto the DIY test bench, same as the other brackets, and the speaker's going to be housed inside there. A motherboard speaker, a couple of pieces of heat wrap just to tidy up the cable, and because we'll be extending the cable we're going to put some new ends on it so that we can use the existing pin out. So first step to this is going to be to unsolder the existing wires from the current speaker. Let's get your soldering iron nice and hot. That extra bit of solder onto them. And then we cut a piece of wire to them. And roughly the length of this braiding. Using a set of wire strippers, take the end off the wire. And we'll just place the wires into the holder and just tint the ends of them. So that's the wires soldered onto the speaker. Now we take our braiding, we feed our braiding over the wire. Now I tend to find it easier to add your heat wrap over the top of the braiding first. Just like this. And then continue to feed it onto your wire. Just put the heat wrap over the end. I'm using a heat gun. We can just seal it at the end. Stretch the braiding out. Now that we've got the braiding on, we can see that we can trim the wiring down. To put some new crimps on it, I need to first strip the ends. Get our crimping tool. So for our crimping tool, we're loading the crimp. And then we insert the cable until we hit a stop. And we crimp it down. Same for the other wire. Take the original wires out of the existing plug. And we can install the new wires in. That's installed. With the heat wrap to the end. And now we need to install it into our new holder. So that's going to slot straight into the end, and we'll push it down in a minute. I'm going to push the speaker down. It's quite a tight fit. I've made it on purpose so that you can't actually remove. You might not necessarily need the glue for this, but we use some anyway. If anything, it holds the wires. And that's the speaker in the frame. So to install the speaker into the frame, we just take the T-nut and we locate it into the aluminium extrusion. As we tighten up the nut, the T-bolt will turn and then it will actually grip hold of the aluminium extrusion and it will hold it into place. Using this kind of design allows us to be able to move the speaker anywhere we want, because we can just simply undo it, it'll come out, and then we can adjust it around somewhere else. Feed the cable through. And then we can simply pop it onto the motherboard. And that's our speaker for our DIY PC test bench.